Witchfolk.
Welcome to our coven.
We are angels on broomsticks.
And we're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we are having fun with some of the Hello Kitty Color Pops. We did a little bit of a haul. I haven't used this before.
Me neither.
Haven't used it?
Oh.
Okay. So we have the 4 palettes. Have right here the blue Coco Cute, the yellow Pineapple Cake.
She's so cute, Hello Kitty. Cherry Sweet. She's wearing a bikini. And Teenie Kini.
Teenie Kini.
I wonder what a kini is. A bikini? Cute.
Cute. And then we have this shade of blush, Aloha Honey. Looks like a really bright coral, so I think I'm going to like it. I hope. And then we have like these tinted lip balms, kind of. Hello Fruity, Tropic Cutie. No, Tropic Cute. I was just trying to make a rhyme, I guess. And Fun in the Sun. We'll use these at the end so you'll see them. So we're just going to have some fun with this, chat a little bit about Hello Kitty. And yeah, that's the plan for today. I think I want to start off with the blush.
Okay, I'll start with the blush
like
too.
to do that.
Okay.
I have a feeling it's really pigmented. It looks really bright.
Oh, exciting.
We'll see, though. We'll see.
I did end up getting a Pat McGrath blush, by the way.
Oh, a blush. I thought you were going to say the new Mother shade.
No, I'm thinking. Okay.
Let's see. Oh, it's pigmented. Oh, my God.
What are we going to do?
Well, I like it, but it's like you have to use a really, really light hand. The only problem with powdered pigmented blushes is like sometimes they're harder to like diffuse and blend out, you know?
You think?
Yeah. Because you end up putting like a big patch. But I like it. I do like the pigment.
It goes away.
It's true. It's like if I didn't do anything to this, by the end of the video it would be faded.
Yeah. I'm going to keep mine. You know, like I'm in a play.
Carrie Bradshaw in a train.
Oh, you know what else I got from Colourpop?
Hot.
The Matte About You collection of pencils. It looks like this. And they're these colors. But you know how I don't like waterline action? I can do it with these
Was it just because you couldn't do it?
Well, I always found I had to dig and with other products.
Oh, yeah.
These crayons are really good. And I got the Barbie. There's very similar shades, but they're different.
There's a lot of kick up in this blush. Wow. If you like a pigmented blush, I highly recommend. Going for eyes, I've taken over the blue and the yellow palette.
I've got orange and pink.
And yeah, I'm taking some inspo from this makeup look from It's Likely Makeup. I'll put it up here.
Okay, I don't have inspo.
You don't need inspo. So it's going to be a bit of a shape. A little bit more shaped.
Fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into the lighter pink matte. Ooh! She pink. She neon.
Are you going to tell the people about how much you used to be obsessed with Hello Kitty?
I was obsessed with Hello Kitty. So obsessed I have a Hello Kitty tattoo that's hidden that you're never going to see unless you marry me. But, yeah, like, I didn't grow up with Hello Kitty, even though I was the perfect age, because she was born in 1974. So,
Oh my God.
as a preteen, I would have been perfect candidate for Hello Kitty merchandise. But didn't really get started until really the late 80s, early 90s. Because then they had these Sanrio stores in malls, like in the U.S. mostly. Like, I don't even remember when I first saw a Hello Kitty product, but I was in my 20s.
Really?
And yeah, I think it was a girl that I worked with at Hot Renfrew had a Hello Kitty change purse. And yeah, I was like obsessed as soon as I saw her.
Yeah, I remember growing up on Hello Kitty, just Hello Kitty stuff everywhere around the house. I'm pretty sure you got me a change purse at some point.
Well, I had a sequin one and I don't know where it
I
is.
assume I've stolen it, but maybe I stole it when I was like 7.
Ugh.
Perhaps.
And I remember when I was pregnant with you, I was 6 months pregnant, we went to California for a trip, my husband and I, and we went to San Francisco. And in San Francisco, there's a Hello Kitty department store. Well, it's a Sanrio department store, to be specific. It's 3 stories, it's downtown, and it was like, our hotel was in a super dodgy area, and we like went crazy in the Sanrio store. getting a Hello Kitty this and that. And we also like a Hello Kitty friends, you know, like I like Bad Bats, the bat.
I don't know that.
Yeah, a little dark bat
okay.
with big eyes. I love him. And then the little lazy pig.
Dad liked Hello Kitty too.
Oh, yeah, he loved Hello Kitty. Yeah, see, even like, this is why Hello Kitty's a witch. She's omnipresent. Like, she's on motor oil.
She's
on, yes. There's Hello Kitty, everything. Motor oil.
Really?
Yes. So, you know, there's a Hello Kitty plane. There's Hello Kitty fine jewelry, like, made out of real diamonds and such.
She's prolific.
Yeah.
She manifests herself everywhere.
Did you know her name is Kitty White?
No, but it sounds like a witchy name.
She lives in London.
London, England?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, they decided to, like, she's, you know, really Japanese, right? But they decided to make her appeal internationally, so she lives with her twin sister. And she's perpetually in grade 3. She lives just outside of London.
Just outside of London?
Just outside of London.
Who decided this?
The people of Sanrio.
Oh my god. These shades are very bright.
Yeah, they go on even brighter than they look.
So I'm just kind of like making a bit more of a shaped shadow. Interestingly, right here, it's not staying. I'll have to like put a shimmer on there. I don't know if that's me or the shadow or what.
Oh yeah, so we were coming back to our hotel with bags and bags of Hello Kitty merchandise, and we like ran into like a motorcycle gang, and I was like, uh-oh, like here we are.
Your Hello Kitty
a
bag.
Pregnant lady and her geeky husband with Hello Kitty. Because it had a giant Hello Kitty on it.
Oh my god. Do you remember what sort of merch you got?
Yeah, like everything. Like Hello Kitty paper products, like notebooks, apron, probably a Hello Kitty teddy bear.
Yeah.
Out of our minds. Okay, I'm going to do a shimmer. Which one should I do? I think I'm going to do the orange one. I'm into orange lately.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that's a very Augusty color.
Mm-hmm.
Not that you like to plan your makeup around the seasons, but...
You know how I hate August.
You do?
Yes.
Why? Because it's the end of
Might
summer?
as well just call it winter.
But we have October to look forward to.
Which I don't like that either.
Really?
No, I like October.
It's the beautifulest month of the year.
You think?
Yes.
How come?
Fall fashion is the best.
True.
You're not sweating your makeup off. And the beautiful colors, Halloween, everything is good. Little pumpkins. So I'm just kind of adding a bit of dimension with the shimmer. I don't really care for it to be like popping shimmer. I just want to like soften the matteness. And now I'm going to go in with this other blue and sort of shape out an extra bit of a graphic moment. We'll see how it goes.
I'm just diffusing mine because it's pretty bright. But I don't mind bright. There's no deepening shades here.
Yeah. But these are really good. These are smaller than, like I saw pictures of them. They're smaller than they look. So I think these would be really fun to travel with. Because these are not going to crack like the Pat McGrath.
No, these are not Pat McGrath. I'm going to use one of these Matte About You pencils in my waterline. I'm going to use the weird creamy color.
Oh, can I borrow one?
I guess. Is it hygienic? Did you guys know this about Colourpop? So here I just open it. But here, boop, is the sharpener. Boop. You know, a lot of other pencils have that, so check out your stash.
The shade isn't quite deep enough to be able to do this in a noticeable way. That's why I maybe wanted to borrow that dark blue, but I won't put it in my waterline.
Oh, okay. I don't care.
I'm going to take this dark blue to try and emphasize this better.
Even this little shade here, Itsy Bitsy, it looks kind of rusty, but it comes out really bright.
I'm just going to take from the yellow palette this little cute shade Sandy. That's going to be here. Yeah. that's the general gist of it. I'm going to sort of maybe clean it up a little bit, but you don't have to watch me blend forever. And I'm going to do it on the other side. We'll be back to finish off with the lips. Okay, we are back and ready to do lips and play with these lip balms. What I kind of wanted to do is try that Alexandra Nell technique a little bit. The way you try and fake that you have lip fillers.
I don't have to fake it.
Because you do. I just thought it'd be nice because it's a balm and she did this with a gloss. So like you get that bit of shine. Yeah. So you just take like a contour powder. She went into way more depth with it. I'm just going to do a subtle thing. And contour here. But she says like don't be too like precise and small with it. And then up here.
I like this stuff. It smells so good. Oh, I love these.
Okay, I have used these once before and I didn't like them. We'll see. They were just kind of waxy and small. I don't like
the Hello Kitty.
I'm going to go in with the Endless Cacao. What's that liner?
Oh, it's the Barbie liner.
Use that one. That looks cute.
I did. I really liked.
How do you do that so high?
So I got a Barbie liner, lipstick, because I was obsessed about the Vive lipstick that you had.
Yeah.
It looks like this. And then I got the Vive one.
Yeah. And they're totally different.
Yeah. They don't look so different, but...
In real, when you swatch them, they are.
Very unique color, this one. Vive. Very expensive.
Okay, I'm going to use Fun in the Sun. You like the smell, eh?
Yeah.
It smells very fruity, but like fake fruit.
Yeah, I like fake fruit. My life is fake fruit. Now that I take Tums all the time. Fake fruit tasting Tums.
Oh.
Berries. Wild berry Tums.
Yeah, they're not my biggest favoritist thing. I was hoping for what I've always wanted, which is this NARS lip tint that has really good reviews, but you know, it's NARS, so it's like $40, $50. So I was like, ooh, these might be a good alternative. I don't know. They're okay. You can even go higher on your lip line now that your lips are bigger.
What do you mean?
Like right here, you can go higher. There's more lip. There's more lip to conquer.
Did I not go high enough?
You can go higher.
Okay, where's the lipstick?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. Emphasize those lips.
Boo-hoo.
If you want to keep that, you can.
I can?
Yeah.
Yay.
That shade's not going to look good on me.
Yay. Little thing. It's the little things.
It's the little things. Okay, these are the finished looks. What do you think? Have any of you used the Hello Kitty?
And what's the weirdest Hello Kitty product you have?
Like whether it's a weird Hello Kitty snow globe.
I used to have a Hello Kitty seat covers on my...
Oh yeah?
In my...
Mini Cooper?
Not my Mini Cooper, but... Hello Kitty is a Mini Cooper car. So it's Fiat 500.
Yeah. You should get Hello Kitty seat covers.
I need some Hello Kitty things for my car.
Motor oil.
Motor oil.
Yeah, I really like these little just color stories for traveling with. I tried to do something a bit more complex that was beyond its capabilities, I think. But for like one and done, a little bit of shadow, a little bit of color, you know?
Yeah, for summer. That's why I like my neon ones too, because it's got because I really am neutral at heart. I like neutral with a pop of color. I just do. And when I go to Tulum, that's what I'll be taking.
You'll take that. Oh, okay. Yeah. That would be very good. That's kind of it for today. Let us know your Hello Kitty stories and paraphernalia in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Bye, witches.